Hello and welcome students, myself Kumar Saurabh. I am present in front of you today with yet another daily practice sheet. Of course, you know what is going to be our agenda today. We are first of all going to discuss the passage in brief, and then based on the passage we are going to solve the set of questions. Okay, let's start without wasting any more time. All right. So if you look at this passage, it goes like the coronavirus pandemic is swiftly pushing China to reevaluate its relationship with wildlife. So, China's relationship with its wildlife. This is being talked about. Steve Blake, chief representative of Wild Aid in Beijing, told The Guardian. There is a high level of risk from this scale of breeding operations, both to human health and to the impacts on population of these animals in the wild. अब ये बताने की कोशिश हुई है कि बहुत ही हाई लेवल का रिस्क इन्वॉल्व है जब इस स्केल का ब्रीडिंग ऑपरेशन कहीं पे किया जाए तो विच इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट बोथ द ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड द population of wild animals at the same time. Further instructions from the National People's Congress are expected next week to give authorities more tools to enforce the ban and restrict trade until the law is amended. तो ये करने का मेन एम है अभी फिलहाल. ठीक है. For the past few years, China's leadership has pushed the idea that wildlife domestication should be a key part of rural development, ecotourism and poverty alleviation. तो समझिए आप लोग, ये चाइनीज लीडरशिप ये कहना चाहती है, ये करना चाहती है कि वाइल्ड लाइफ का डोमेस्टिकेशन हो और इससे जो बेनिफिट्स होंगे उस पे इनकैश किया जाए. वाइल्ड लाइफ का डोमेस्टिकेशन. ओके. Then, why are civet cats still encouraged to be eaten after the SARS outbreak in 2003? SARS outbreak हुआ था 2002-2003 के बीच में और civet cats जो हैं एक contributing factor थे उसमें. तो उनका अभी भी डोमेस्टिकेशन क्यों किया जा रहा है? उनको क्यों खाना है अभी भी जब ऐसी बीमारियां होती हैं? It's because the hunters, operators, practitioners need that. That's the answer. How can they achieve that? They urge the government to support them under the pretext of economic development. Jinfeng Zhou, Secretary General of China Biodiversity Conservation and Green Development Foundation, told The Guardian. तो बस एक सिंपल सा जवाब दे दिया गया कि those people need that. That is why we are going to allow that. Okay. There have been calls for a deep regulatory overhaul to remove the conflicting duties of the Forestry Administration and for a swift in-government mindset away from prompting the utilization of wildlife towards its protection. एंड में एक सजेस्टिव बात बोली गई कि देखिए अभी के टाइम में ना एक डीप रेगुलेटरी ओवरहॉल की जरूरत है जिससे कि क्या हो, ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग ड्यूटीज हैं फॉरेस्ट्री एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के वो दूर हो और साथ ही साथ ये जो गवर्नमेंट का माइंडसेट है वाइल्ड लाइफ डोमेस्टिकेशन का ये बदले और वाइल्ड लाइफ का यूटिलाइजेशन प्रॉपर तरीके से हो एंड देन उसका प्रोटेक्शन भी हैंड इन हैंड चले. सो बेस्ड ऑन ऑल ऑफ दैट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following weakens China's ruling class's views on rural economic development? Here the right answer is going to be B, which says in China domestication of wildlife is a smoke screen for its consumption. ये बात बताई गई कि डोमेस्टिकेशन बस एक बोलने वाली बात है, मेन यहाँ पे कंजम्पशन से रिलेटेड इशू है. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Second, which of the following is central towards tackling the problem of animal welfare in China? Here, the right answer is going to be A, which says utilitarian views on wildlife must be replaced with empathetic views. Utilitarian view क्या है? Maximum happiness to maximum number of people. जेरेमी बेंथम का ये दिया हुआ था ये प्रिंसिपल, ये कंसेप्ट. तो यूटिलिटेरियन व्यू जो है वो हटा के एम्पैथेटिक व्यू लगाना चाहिए, अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए, ये कहा जा रहा है. नाउ इट इज गोइंग टू टैकल द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एनिमल वेलफेयर इन चाइना. Then, third, which of the following is a valid observation drawn from the passage? Valid observation drawn from the passage. Here, the right answer is going to be D. China has been apathetic towards its development with nature and wildlife. Simple सा आंसर हो जाएगा. Next question. Which of the following can we infer from the given passage? Here, the right answer is going to be, let's see A and B first. A, wildlife farming is a booming industry in China. Yes, it can be inferred from the passage. And B, the government of China has aided poachers directly or indirectly. So both of these options can be inferred from the passage. So the right answer is going to be C, both A and B. Okay. Sorry. Last question. Which of the following strengthens the idea that China is indifferent towards wildlife preservation? Here, the right answer is going to be very easy option A. Civet cats are still being consumed. It was given in the passage, mentioned in the passage. Very easy for you to choose this option. So, this is about it. As far as this practice sheet is concerned, we'll be back with more content on our YouTube channel of CLAT Gurukul. So stay tuned, and till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching.